75mm turbo, junkyard 6 liter, Little John Motorsport stage 1 cam, and homemade turbo kit with some eBay components.
Okay, so this is Rick's truck. This is Hunter's Evo. This is my GTR. This is Ryan's S13. This is Jarret's Subi. I cracked my windshield though.
Yeah. How did that happen, Ron?
A rock hit it, and then like when I was driving, it was first thing in the morning, so when I was driving to school, it like warmed up right away, and then it was just like spread super quickly. I don't know if they can see it, but it's like, it's directing downward, and I'm not sure if I can get it like redirected downward more.
Remember the fade in your eyes. I'm lost in space, floating away.
Oh, we launched it.
Olaf, what is that?
That's fine. That's motor oil, man. Engine oil.
Oh man.
I'm not even thinking before. Just you see things, right? Like, I thought that was Bron. The rest of the Bron. Oh, there's one.
Yeah.
Hey, cutie.
Jared's just scoping out cars he's gonna import soon, after he sells his car in like a week.
You're gonna sell it?
Yeah, man.
Why?
Because I've had it for a month.
Switch